In the last first video, I showed you how to add shortcut to Google. So you can click on Animatron and this will come. You need to click on the studio. Then if you're logged in, your name will be visible here. You can see your name here. If you are not logged in, then you cannot see. You need to sign up. I am logging out because to show you all how to sign up. So this is your sign up here. To click on sign up, you will get sign up with Facebook, Twitter, Google. You need to click on Google. After you click on Google, it will ask you your email ID and it will automatically take you here. Now I can see one animation because I have done the animation. For you all, it will be zero animation here. So you need to click on start creating. So I'll click on start creating and my new workspace will open. In this new workspace, on the left hand side, you can see so many icons here. So many icons, text tool, background and all. You need to operate on this animation set. You cannot, don't touch this video and background, it will ask you money. You can go to this and here you can get different backgrounds. Then you have the text tool with which you can write, and even you can use your voice here. There is a voice option here. I'll show you one by one what to do. Now, for example, I'm going to the animation set. There are n number of animation sets. So for now I am just going to give you the interface introduction. These are your tools. Then here, this is called a whiteboard. This part is called the workspace. This part, this blue color, is called the marker. Plus and minus, this plus and minus helps you to increase and decrease the timeline. So at first you have to make a story, then your timeline has to be in 6. Then you get here on the right hand side a plus, a duplicate option and a delete option. Plus means it will increase number of scenes, and delete option means it will delete. You have to select it and then delete. These are the basic things. Then this is the play button. This is the play movie button, means it will play from the beginning. If you stop in the middle also, again it will play from the beginning. So this is what is about play movie button, the normal play button. And this is forward button, it will play from the beginning. If you're in the middle, it will play one scene but from the beginning. This is the difference. Okay, you need to click on the light because we are doing very light here. In expert mode there are so many things, so we only need light. Expert mode we will do it in another class. Then you can see a mic here. In this mic, it will help you to put your own voice. So what you have to do is click on the mic, click this, you have to allow, and then you can see some green objects are going, that means green lines are going, that means it is recording. And then you can stop here. Once you stop, your recording is done for 9 seconds, and then you can play or either add it. When you add it, it will take some time because it is working on internet, plus it will trying to add. So you can see a music here and your voice here. So if you play it, you can find your voice here. If simple, if you do not want it, you can click on this and there is a delete button. It's done. Now, after so many people will ask, will it save or not? It will automatically save. You don't have to worry. You simply have to go here, projects, and open projects. When you click on open project, you see your animation projects here, and then you can open each and every which one you wanted. Okay, you can even delete it or open it. So this is the basic interface introduction. Now there are one more thing. If you want your whiteboard to be small or big, you need to click on this setting, and you can also add the background to be red color. See, it's changing. Yes. And then the size, you can increase it or you can decrease it. So here it's 500. I'll make it 600 so that it's big. Then you can give a name to your whiteboard, that is a story name and all, that much. This is undo and redo button. And after you finish your work, you can share it with the links and you can even download from the video. This much for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to make your first scene. Thank you.